Hi, how you doing? Today, going to make a little video on wet sanding. Not something I've done before, so give it a wee try, record it, see what happens. Going to try it in my winter car, old Saab, so I'm not too bothered if it get it wrong, but it'd be good to see what the outcome would be and see exactly how difficult it is. So give it a try and let you see. Right, so cleaned the area that we're going to work on. I'm just going to, instead of a clay bar, I'm going to use this clay cloth to remove any of the sharp contaminants, and some dodo juice, clay bar spray. Don't know if we'll focus. Yep. So we'll give it a little wash with that. Right, so we'll just work on this section here, kind of half the bonnet, and we'll compare it after we're finished. Right, so I've got some 2000 grit sandpaper here, and I have just attached it to my sanding block. Hopefully give me a straight, consistent finish. Again, I'm going to try and lubricate it up using this, so we'll see how it goes. Right, so at this point we think, what have we done? So you'll see the dull flat finish. Obviously the sanding's left. I was trying to smooth off this stone chips here that have been painted. One thing's for sure, it's very, very flat, lovely smooth finish, so if we could polish that back up, it'd be quite good. Kind of the reason for this practice, if you like, is I've actually got a scratch on this car, which I would like to try and sand off. It's been filled. See it here. So the idea is that if I could master the art, we could tidy that scratch up with some sanding. So we'll see how it goes. Right, so polishing time. For this I'll be using Manzerna FG 400 and Dodo Juice heavy cutting pad. Well, I'm actually really impressed with that. For a first pass and first attempt. I'm actually really happy with that. Don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but it's certainly got rid of all the swirls and scratches. And if this stone chip had been painted better, it would have effectively disappeared because it's smooth. It's just basically where the paint's not filled, you can see white marks. But all in all, I'm really happy with that. Then over there you can see the swirls in the sun. Try and come over here again, I'm not sure how much camera will pick it up. Yeah, brilliant. So I think we'll try that again on this side. Trying to kind of get some better shots of it so you can really appreciate how well it's worked. See if I can play with the focus a little bit. Kind of losing focuses now. Right, you can see kind of that area there is kind of scratched, this area up here is scratched, but in the centre, the sun is perfect. Fantastic. Right. So we've learned something new there today, I think. Although daunting, wet sanding is actually, I'm not going to say easy, but it's certainly doable. Whether I try it on a more expensive car, maybe not yet. But I think we'll try it a couple of times on the old Saab before we go into the 5 Series. But no, certainly, I'm just losing focus there. But yeah, definitely worth giving a shot. So thanks for watching, and we'll maybe see you in the next one.